and no idea back one. It helps to engineer public confidence in the kinds of policing that we're experiencing currently.
Akoma FM.
Say, enya idea police for no bank at sumo so say omuni pebi eye de ensend the emfata. One so. But it's a bit worrying because ye nim say nanka ye kwa da na you are police for dia nanka ye kata ye ni nyina. But say ko ba say a police for na ye de enwe ahye mu no say ombabo ye ho ban etia akronfo remfo a yada no mbetu ye so sa no mo asa adane akronfo remfo dia na ade no eya ye ho. But the question is what has been the underlying influence at the level of miscreants that we are having?
Akoma FM.
Politicians. Politicians. Because nowadays, you have police for they don't even all security agencies. They don't even have control of recruitment. And more picture the bet show it's not for public consumption.
Okay.
You may overcome as many as about 9 Delta Force boys. Highlighting in a home. And these are known faces, you know. Omakudi police are movie photo.
Oh, but I can post this. So we are the police.
Akoma FM.
Please.
Oh, come on.
Baby, I don't have known figures I don't have their permission. No, Kofi. That is.
Now, does it mean that Delta Force you won't even could the police?
Oh, they may
be also a crapper. Yeah, we are there. And so yes, we need 20 cents.
So we need baby woman need more.
First, maybe looking family.
Okay, it's not for public consumption. No.
Oh, my day,
there are some things I use for my intelligence work as somebody who is planning for elections against the
Akoma FM.
Not everything that I will let them know. But what I say, there are some of them will keep to our chest, and at the right time we can respond to it appropriately. Kofi, ye nano ye bo police ni ba or tamalito. Aberia ye komuna ne nipa no obomu no okomu or national security background. Now political leanings be. Bekande no prosecution won't tell worry. And now no ye kwachi armed robbers on the central region Accra to central region road.
Yeah. 4
of them with office of the president tag, and these are national security personnel. In the
Akoma FM.
Meaning you can say omuko profiling no. National security for the profiling. So I confirm more national security and profiling. They are all over. Until politicians you betray your every state security setup will continue to undermine it. Boys now omudidi ye chi no bebre wa yeshia party na omba bi o enoma omo ye yenimo. There are a lot of them will push into security agencies. We don't really know them.
And you are right.
Yenimo omo. The enima say ye kokoye omo aba, and a lot of them join politicians and big men for specific
personal reasons,
achievements. No. But we bet me at na MP not radio so and I'm doing 50 coy and I'm doing say and what the point I'm making, and we are bragging about it. And I've heard an MP so called soldier or didn't call soldier na soldier force unfunded former procedure anymore. No the deep soldier at them, a deep public relations officer at them, and Ghanaians didn't make a noise. They shut up. Edina temo pa on faso janun kofie ken hagiri wa kwasia wajimi pa on radio.
Akoma FM.
Yewa. Eti next time can argue keep quiet because on so yiri wa ma. E bi kra wo na wo ti radio no so edina tem no. Enye politics na abeye ni sika fin bi a wanya kanye wa fe no. Nti next time no edi Ghana nyane papa dia. No bi aba you have criminals getting themselves involved with activities of the police. That is what is going to happen. And see be pa dia politicians to ensure more free recruitment. Can you imagine say if immigration na region B Akra BP be me so penye no matter say immigration for
Akoma FM
performs ni biato obenya bi wato o see if any pa 2 IC regional 2 IC
Onim say
Onim was here. Me what fast be people because me timid. I'm not aware. No, oh you know the chief. Master had no. Oh you know the chief. Master had no.
You don't mean it. The whole 2 eyes of irrigation
in a region.
It's a recruitment because
in a particular region.
I see.
Oh you know some catch must chief. Master I was more fast because me timid me aware na me name. Oh you in the statement or yeah catch him was chief. Master had no. I met a military officer here in this region. Kumasi. No, yeah, Opoko ayo ho Santa si
Akoma FM.
I'm here ta e wo ho. E na me koto no ye didi nkomo. And then na security issue say ya ba na ye share thoughts ah. E na me ka so say mo mo hompo de. Ti say ho ye. O ka che me say honorable, mo say ye ho. I have seen a junior rank, a sergeant instructing a captain here at 4BN.
You don't mean it. Come on, Zuba. This is not possible. Zuba, this is
Kofi,
not in the military.
Kofi, that man, I took his number.
Not in the military.
In
the military service. As I don't for protocol, the discipline is there. Zuba, for this, I beg to differ.
Me, Kofi. If you know me, there are times I get information from NPP for. I'll tell you that. Let me cross-check before I say it on radio. I can meet me the phone at you. No matter text messages are many from MPP for saying things are mean cross check it. I've not spoken about it. Me say me this happen the amount. Meeting the papa number. I'll direct you to the residence. Go in private and have a conversation with him, not for public consumption.
I need to end the discussion.
And Kofi, but you know why it would happen like that? He's so powerful with a powerful politician.
But that cannot happen.
Kofi,
this is military.
It is happening.
Military.
It is happening now. Previously, Master. Previously, Nanka Wonam and Ajo now see a military patroller. We shall now alert because they obey discipline. Now they are taking money.
I know they all can somehow. I agree with you.
Kofi,
but money no come take no money police and empty no more police.
No more police. No any.
Yes. And they are involved. I know I agree with you.
Me say,
but
Kofi, Kofi, me say,
military.
Kofi. When we're having elections, don't let me say it. Some things are for intelligence purposes. I won't say it. Kofi, I'm telling you that politicians.
Yes.
Say yes. Security setup.
Kofi, me too the kakra account. Kofi one say, Kofi me one say.
Oh say, yeah, politicians. Let's concentrate on public administration. Let's leave security for the experts.
100%.
If you want to say na me say police, on say so be